This year's holiday is more important than ever. The past few months have been really challenging for all of us. And the last couple of days leading up to New Year's is a time for us to reflect and reset. I know that I am. Seriously, what's a better time to look back on all that we've accomplished with our gardens, homeschooling, making sure that we are staying well, and social distancing. Everything that we've overcome in the last year or so, and we're still dealing with the voting. Before the clock strike, grab some of your favorite dishes, your recipes, and start creating. Here, I am just making another easy gratitude breakfast, and then I will sit and reflect as I start planning on how I will bring in the new year. And of course, we've got football in the background. Hello, this is Blissful Spaces. I missed you. Yes, I'm enjoying my family time, and I have been resetting and just reflecting. Come on, have breakfast with me, and let's start planning because 2020 is almost gone. So let's make a toast, literally, toast. Yes, so go ahead and we will be toasting in the new year because we have so much to look forward to. All the incredible experiences that 2020 will bring. I believe, and I hope you do too, that 2021 will be a much better year. And here's to resetting in 2021. See you soon. Blessings.